we found this microwave cone on the cob, but it's popcorn on the cob.
Okay, now put it in the bag. It came with the bag. And we fold it over and we pop it.
Oh, that made a mess. Literally, the bag was not good. Let's see how it tastes.
Is it good?
Not as good as theater popcorn, but hey, it's popcorn.
I think it's because it's like not salted or buttered or anything. You still would have to do that. Let's see what this looks like though. Ooh. Well, it popped up a lot. Look it's still stuck to it.
It's good.
Would you recommend doing it again?
Probably not with